Good morning student, myself Bina Tripathi. Welcome to your online class. Students, today I am going to explain you in history chapter 3 the Harappan civilization. See students, previous chapter 2 we have learned the sources of history, and in this chapter we are going to learn about the Harappan civilization. See students, civilization means what? The stage of human social and cultural development and organization that is considered most advanced. We can say the civilization. That means human development, advancement. Okay students, see that some points are given here, so we will discuss this. 3.1 Harappan civilization, 3.2 housing and town planning, 3.3 seals and ports, 3.4 the Great Bath, 3.5 life in the Harappan civilization, 3.6 trade, 3.7 reasons for decline. So see students, all these points we will discuss in this chapter. So the sites of Harappan civilization on an outline map of India. See students, this is a map of India. See the index Harappan civilization, black dotted. See that black circle dotted are there, that is sites of Harappan civilization, and square, that is modern cities, and at which has a red dash line are there, that is present international boundaries. See students, Delhi, it is an outline map of India. See Delhi place, that Delhi was the modern city, and see that black dot sites of Harappan civilization, example Dholavira, Lothal, can you see that, Kalibangan and Daimabad, all these places are there, all the sites of the Harappan civilization. Okay students, Mohenjo-daro, so many names are there. Okay students. Point 1 Harappan civilization, archaeological excavation. See students, archaeological excavation means what? Excavation in archaeology, the exposure, recording and recovery of buried material remains. We can say the archaeological excavation, whatever we are getting inside. First began in 1921 CE. CE means Common Era at Harappa in the Punjab, on the bank of the river Ravi. That place. Okay students, that means first archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE. At which place? At Harappa in the Punjab, on the bank of the river Ravi. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. And students, we can also say that it is also known as Indus civilization. Excavation was also carried out at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 km to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. And see students, excavation were also carried out at which place? Mohenjo-daro place, about 650 km to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. There was a striking resemblance between the remains of structures and artifacts found at the two places. See students, artifacts means what students? An artifact is an ornament, tools or other objects that is made by a human being, especially one that is historical or culturally interesting. We can say the artifacts. And similar remains have been found. Which place students? Some names are mentioned here, that is very important: Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad, etc. So all this place there was a, that means there was a striking resemblance between the remains of structures and artifacts found at the two places. Okay students, and similar remains have been found at Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad, etc. Really the same characteristics means features are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. See students, that means same features are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. This includes, we can say that, town planning, roads, construction of houses, drainage systems, seals, pots and toys and burial customs. Okay students, now can you tell, that is it is activity based students, describe the structures of houses in your locality, that means in your area, how the houses are there. Next question is, do they have flat roof or tilled sloping roof? So you have to find out that how their flat roofs are there or tilled sloping roofs are there. Okay. Housing and town planning, the houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. In some places students, they can also use the unbaked bricks, and stones were also used for the construction purpose. The houses had rooms built around a central courtyard The houses had wells, bathroom and toilets, and there was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits were used. And see student, there was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits were used. The state had covered drain built with bricks, and the streets are there that had totally covered with drain built with bricks. This show great concern regarding public health. How they are very concerned about regarding the public health. The streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern. Students, houses were built in the rectangular block created by them. See the picture. Harappan civilization. See the well. Can you see the well? Okay, the well is used for the water, to supply the water. That means to drink water. They are removing the from the well water and they can use for different purpose. Okay, students. For drinking, for bathing, for etc. Okay, students. Divided into two or more sections, and each sections had separate fortification. Students, can you tell what problems regarding health and hygiene will arise if the drains are not covered? It is totally activity based. Students, try this, totally cancel, no need to read this, try this. Seals and pots. See students, seals and pots. The seals of the Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from a stone. That means it is mainly square shaped and made from a stone. We can say that it is called a statite. This is bear pictures of animals. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tiger, etc., and also of imaginary ones like the unicorn. And also students, human figure are also seen. These seals are used for as stamps. See the picture. In seals, see that animals pictures are shown here. Okay students, can you see that? So these types of seals are there. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tiger, etc., and also of imaginary ones like the unicorn. And see students, human figures are also seen. These seals are used as a stamps. Okay students, pots of various types of shapes have been found at the excavation sites. See students, earthen pots of various types of shapes have been found at the excavation sites of Harappan civilization. There are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black color. And see students, there are red terracotta pots and with pattern and design in black color. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc. Okay students, the Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies, and there was a system. Are the student, the Harappan people buried their dead and they used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. Okay students, see the pictures, earthenware. Okay, so all these are the pots are there. Can you see that? Okay, see students, do this and observe. Totally cancel. I mark with pencil. No need to read this. Do this and observe. Okay students. The great bath. A spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. And see students, a spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The tank in the great bath was nearly 2.5 meter deep. It was 12 meter long and 7 meter wide. It was lined with baked brick to prevent seepage of water. And see students, it was lined with baked bricks to prevent seepage of water. There was steps leading down to the tank. And see students, there was a step also leading down to the tank. There was also provisions for draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from time to time. So all these things are there. See the picture, the great bath at Mohenjo-daro. Okay students, see students, can you tell? Totally cancel. I have marked with pencil. No need to read this. Life in the Harappan civilization. See students, we will see that life of the Harappan civilization. The Harappan people practice agriculture. They are doing agriculture work. The excavation at Kalibangan provides evidence. Evidence means proof of a flowed fields. The people there grew different crops, mainly wheat and barley. And see students, the people grew different crops. Their names are shown here. That is wheat and barley. In Rajasthan, barley was grown on a large scale. See students, in Rajasthan state, barley grew very large scale, while in Gujarat, it was ragi. Peas, sesame and lentil, that is masoor, were also cultivated. That means not only they are growing the wheat and barley, but also they are growing different crops also. Example, peas, sesame and lentils, that is masoor, were also they cultivated. The Harappan people were also familiar with cotton, and they also know that about cotton. Okay students, cotton crops. The statue, the pictures on the seals, and the remains of cloth found in the excavation indicates that the Harappan people used to view cloth. And say students, that means in the statue, the pictures on the seals, and the remains of clothes found in the excavation, it indicates that the Harappan peoples also used to view cloth. The dress of the both man and woman consisted of knee-length cloth and an upper garments. And see students, that means the dress of the both man and woman consisted of knee-length cloth and an upper garment. See the pictures are there. Ornaments in Harappan civilization, students. So all these are pictures of the ornaments are there which are used on that time. So ornaments in Harappan civilization. Okay, students. Of ornaments have been found in excavation. See students, many types of ornaments are found during the excavation. They are made of gold, copper, precious stones, as also shells, cowries, seeds, etc. And see students, whatever the ornaments are found during the excavation, they are made of gold, copper, precious stones, as also shells, cowries, seeds, etc. Man and woman both used multi-strand necklace. And see students, you should know about that. Both man and woman, both they are wearing the multi-strand necklace, rings, armlets, and waistbands. And women wore bangles right up to their upper arm. And see students, women wore the bangles right up to their upper arm. A statue found at a Harappan sites present an excellent, means beautiful specimen, means examples of their art. It shows the man's facial features very clearly. Why we can say student that we statue found at Harappan sites present an excellent specimen? Why students? Because it shows the man facial features very clearly. Clearly means what? Very properly. A cloak with a beautiful trefoil, means cloak means what students? A sleeveless outdoor overgarments that hangs loosely from the shoulder, because the cloak with a beautiful trefoil pattern is strapped across his shoulder. Okay students, see the picture students. A specimen means examples of Harappan art. See the picture. See, it is examples of the Harappan art, students. Try this, totally cancel. I have marked with pencil. No need to read this. Try this. Okay, students. Point 6, trade. See, students, trade means what? Something export and import to the business. We are saying the trade. The Harappan people carried on trade within India as well as with countries outside. So, see, students, the Harappan people, they carry trade within India as well as with countries outside. The Indus Valley was known for its high quality cotton. And see, students, the Indus Valley was very famous for its high quality cotton, because that place cotton is grown very high quality. It is very famous. This cotton was exported to other regions like West Asia, Southern Europe, and Egypt. And see students, this cotton was exported to other regions. Means we are sending this cotton crops to other countries. Examples: West Asia, South Europe, and Egypt. Cotton clothes too was exported. The trader of the Harappan civilization provided muslin cloth to Egypt. And see students, the trader of the Harappan civilization, they provided muslin clothes to Egypt country. Silver, zinc, gemstones, rubies, deodar wood were some of the items that were imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan, and Baluchistan. So all these are the imported. Imported means we are taking that from the other countries, and export means we are sending to other countries. Okay students, these are different are the export and import. So see students, silver, zinc, gemstones, rubies, deodar wood were some of the items that were imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan, and Baluchistan. And this way students, trade was carried on both by land routes and sea routes. That means trade was took place between both the routes, land routes also as well as sea routes also. Some of the excavated seals bear pictures of ships. And see students, some of the excavated seals bear pictures of ships. A huge dockyard has been discovered at Lothal Place. The trade of the Harappan civilization was carried on along the coastline of the Arabian Sea. And see students, the trade of the Harappan civilization was carried on along the coastline of the Arabian Sea. Okay students. Artist visualizations of the dockyard at Lothal Place. See students, pictures are there. Reconstructed with the help of the remains. It was reconstructed with the help of the remains. See the picture. Okay. Now see that student 3.7 reasons for decline of the Harappan civilization. What are the reasons are there? Frequent floods, invasions of foreign tribes, decline in trade were some of the reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization. So see students, frequent floods, problems are there, invasions of foreign tribes, decline in trade was started to decline were some of the reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization. Some regions became arid due to weakening of monsoon. And see students, some regions become arid due to weakening of monsoon, drying up of river basins started drying, earthquakes problems, changes in sea level, etc. So these also the reasons are there students, and peoples migrated to other place, leading to the declines of cities. And these also reasons are there students, peoples migrated to other place, leading to the decline of cities. Okay students, so these all other reasons are there. The Harappan civilization was a prosperous and flourishing urban civilization students. That means students, the Harappan civilization was a prosperous and flourishing urban civilization. It laid the foundation of the Indian civilization. And see students, it laid the foundation of the Indian civilization. Okay students. Exercise question number 1, answer in one sentence. Question number 3, draw a picture of the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. And last one is question number 4, in the following chart, fill in the details regarding human life during the Harappan periods. So say students, all these are the assignment I am giving to you as your homework. You have to write this in your notebook and read this lesson twice, 2 times properly. I hope that you understood this lesson. Thank you.